Our minds, they're powerful tools, and it impacts everything we say. It impacts what we do. To succeed in a DAO, we need to shift our thinking. Traditional entrepreneurship says, I'm the boss. A DAO says, we share leadership. Key mindsets that benefit being in a DAO include having a mission first and community minded mindset, collaboration and trust type mindset. You trust that your team or your community members can handle responsibility. Embrace that power and rewards are shared through tokens or membership. Be ready to try new governance tools or policies, and you learn from them. Brands must keep up with current developments. Anything that impacts how we interact with the customers, stay curious, open-minded, and prepare. Because things may be a little bit messy, you're growing a movement, not a solo empire. Look at your goals. If you're aiming to solve a big challenge that needs many hands, like funding or digital, if you just want to run a small local shop by yourself, DAO might be. Can you clearly state why you need community governance? If you already have a community or a customer base, even a small one, that's a green light. It also helps if you're comfortable sharing control.